Saving and sharing files in Microsoft Teams. In Teams, the files you use in class travel with you into conversations you have in channels, private chats you have with one or more educators or students, or your own private files app. Bottom line, each time someone shares a file in Teams, it's automatically saved in a Files tab, so your work is backed up. Plus, you can work on files together without leaving Teams at all. Sharing files. First, let's look at how files work within a channel. Remember, the tabs at the top of each of your channels in Teams are part of your We space. These are spaces and files you share with your fellow educators and students. No one has added any files to this channel yet. Here's how to create one. First, check out all your file options at the top of your Files space. Select New to create an Office 365 file right from here. Plus, add cloud storage if you'd like to upload an existing folder from another location where you're already storing class files. If you don't want to add files in advance, that's no problem. When you share a file in a Teams chat or channel, whether that's a presentation, Word document, or photo, it automatically saves to the Files tab. Select the paperclip icon to attach a file in a conversation. Now, the work you shared is saved to the Files tab in this channel. Same goes for private chats. All the files you've shared back and forth are available if you want to reference them again, here in the Files tab. Need to collaborate on a file or want your students to work together? Simply open the file right from your conversation in Teams. Your conversation moves over so you can continue talking and editing in real time. Your private files. While the files you share in channels and chats can be edited by everyone participating in those channels and chats, Microsoft Teams also includes a private files section, which is part of your Me space, located on the app bar. Explore the Recent area to see everything you've been working on recently, or the Microsoft Teams area to see all the files that have been added across all your teams. To add and organize your own private files, open OneDrive. No one else in your teams can see these files. Work on documents here that you're not ready to assign or share just yet. You can share them later in a channel, assignment, or chat. Selecting Open in OneDrive lets you see your personal files on a web browser. Good news! Changes you make in either place will sync back and forth. Remember, files you work on together are saved in the channels or chats where you're collaborating. Your OneDrive files in the app bar are private to you. Thanks for watching.